Great. Lunch. I've never been there before. Sounds interesting. Who's driving? Hello? Hello. Oh, hi. Hi. Who's that? I heard. Who are you? Anyone else back there? No? Okay then. I guess I'm at Great Wolf Lodge. I can't wait to go to water parks. Am I there? Oh wow, look at this place. It's huge. The wolf statue. I'm going. Whoa, look at that. It's huge. Excuse you. Look at this. I'm gonna sit down. It's comfortable. Yeah, this is nice. I like this place. Littering is despicable. Despicable me. Please don't get copyrighted. Oh my god, look at the water slide. Alright, it's gone. Which room am I gonna be? Is that a wolf statue? Oh my god, that a wolf statue? Oh my god, that's so cool. Wow. I totally like this. Wait, where's the camera? Okay. Wow, look at this place. It's butterful. Exotic butters. Wait, what even are those? They just told me about them in sister location. Okay then. Bye-bye. Whee! Well, this is nice. I'm gonna walk down the road. I shouldn't be in the shadows. The shadows are following me. Like everywhere. Okay, do. This place is nice. It's a summer camp too? That's nice. Thank you for visiting. But I just got here. I'm not leaving. That's stupid. How do... No fire. Why would anyone have a gun? That's scary. Huge door. So interesting. Ooh, automatic. I'm in the room. By myself. Never mind. I might as well go in the water now. The water is freezing. I'm safe. The water is freezing. I'm standing here. It's so wet. It's so cold. Why is the water so freaking cold? Yeah, the water is wet, cold. I don't like. Wait, I want to get out. I'm out. No. Freaking cold. I don't like it. Roadblock. I'm just gonna squeeze me. I'm coming through. I'm out of here. Well, I'm gonna go on a ride now. The water was so cold. Why is the water so cold? I'm gonna go in here. Oh, this looks nice. Oh. What is that? Whatever, that looks fine. Wait, what's that? Why is everything so wet at a water park? Stop it. What is all this? What is happening? I'm gonna go on a ride. Ow. I'm scared right now. I'm gonna go on this one. It's so nice. That's fun. It's wet, it's fun. I'm gonna go find something else to do. And keep on discriminating. You don't want me to go on rides. I'm gonna go on another ride. soaking wet. That was so worth it. I'm thirsty. Oh, this what? Where's all the water so heavy? Where's out? Oh, what's this? Why is there a bowl? I'm gonna say. Wait. Out. Ow! My face! What? Oh, okay. Ouch! 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 So cold. The water! Oh my god, the waves! Ow! 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 I'm out of here! I'm not going here anymore! Ready? I'm going under. Hey guys! Oh my god! Hey guys! Watch this! I can't breathe. Okay, bye. I'm okay. Finally, it quieted down. I don't know where I'm walking to. Whoa, this is nice. Ooh, gotta go quickly. Whoa, so why is this so green? What the heck? My voice is changing. Okay. Companion. Well, time to go bowling. Well, time to play mini golf, because this sounds fun. Yay! Picking. Why is it so hard to pick up? Okay, I'm gonna play some mini golf. Okay? Oh, wrong way. And that sucked. Yay, that was so good! No one saw that though. That got me a little sad. Okay, and a little sad. I'm gonna go. Okay. Frick! Okay, this is fun. Just gonna grab the thing. Okay. Ow. Why is it so hard to there we go. And That golf is hard, I'm leaving. I'm the wolf. I'm the king. I'm the king of the oh, ouch. I'm okay. I think. Okay, time to go. Yay, time to go. Slow and steady wins the race. Yay! I'm so good. I'm the best at this. Yay! Ouch, my back. Oh, where'd that come from? Whee! Here we go. Let's see. Yay! Where'd it go? Freaking got out of bounds. God freaking dang it. I give up on this one. Next one. I'm on top of the world on a squirrel. Woodchuck, don't yell at me in the comments. Yeah! Oh god! Why did that even burst? You know what? I was gonna crawl through the hole. Oh, that looks. I'm okay! Yay, my bones! Okay, time to go.
Oh my god, this one's confusing.
Let's see. Yay! Oh, that's sad. Yay! Oh my god, I'm so good at this game. Yay! Okay, go. Oh wow, that sucks. Hey. My turn. Okay, time to go. Here I go. Okay. This is hard. Oh, where'd it go? What the flip? How does this count? How does this count? How does this count? The final hole. Okay, I got this. Well, let's not look at the score. That was a great game. Hello, can we please do bowling? I have a wolf pass. Ow! I have a wolf pass. There we go. I think this should work. I hope.
Just the one, or would you like to add yourself on?
He would like to play too.
Yeah, I'll play too.
Nope.
All right, so it'll just be $4 for that. $4? $4. Do you want to do credit card or ring charge?
Credit card. Ooh, credit. Right. And here's my wolf pass.
Why, thank you.
I think I did too.
Yay! It worked.
All right, you could sign here for
signing. Signature. Whoop, she signed it. Whoop! Bowling time! Yay! No, let's go bowling. This should be fun. I did do 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 do. I did do 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 do. I did do 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 do. This is gonna take a long time, but I shall get there. And when I do, I'm proud. Yay! Is that it? Excuse me. Can we play bowling?
Bowling?
Yes, please. Yes. Here is the receipt. So do we just wait here or do we just go over there?
Here you go. Ooh, just take this and then you'll go
Thank-
over to bowling. Give me 1 second. I just need
Okay.
Thank you. Oh, sorry.
Oh. Oh.
Perfect. Thank
Token.
you.
How come you get the token? I'm the bear. God, the bear. I don't. Here, hold this. I don't want the receipt anymore. Hold the receipt. Give me tokens. Ouch. Yay, I'm a rich man. Skiddly dee. Okay, I'm bowling. Here I go. I'm acting. Yay, I got a strike. I got a strike. I'm so good at this. Okay. Here it goes. And. Oh my god, I am so good at this. Oh my god. And go. Okay, here I go. Oh my god. Oh wow, I can suck. Oh yeah. That's what I call. Hey, you stole my line. Oh my god, that sucks. Okay, let's do this. I'm gonna win. Whee, I did it. Oh my god. Let's see, will I be able to get a strike again? Probably not. Probably against bear. We'll see. Yeah. Oh my god, I got a spare. Let's go. What? Okay, guys, watch me pick up a ball. I totally picked that up. I did it! Man, I'm good at this game. Who wanna face me? Who wanna face Will? Go. Yeah, I got 125. Let's go! Well, I'm at the arcade now. I got my card. I'm just gonna sit here with my card. That good like that. What do I want to play? Well, this game is fun. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. Dang it. There we go.
You've come to try to win me treasure, have ya?
This is hard. No, frick. I suck. Oh, dang it. Yay. It's easier if I... Frick! This sucks. Someone won the... Oh, wait. That was me earlier. I'm gonna pay it. Yay.
Hands on deck and spin the wheel.
Did it work? Let me check. Did it work? What did I get? Come on, give me the big box. Big box. Big box. Good enough. Okay, I'm ready to go swimming again. Whee! I'm ready to go swimming. Well, but I took on the elevator. I got my goggles ready. Had them on, but I took them off because I didn't want them. Oh, the elevator. Well, time to go. We're going to the ground floor, right, person?
Oh, look at all this wetness.
Ooh, wetness. Well, bye. Where's the elevator music? I'll add that later. Oh my god, I'm so excited! There's our card. Oh my
I
god.
might pee in there too, okay?
What?
I might pee in there.
Why?
Oh,
What is wrong with you?
because it might be nerves.
I already peed. Ha. Oh my god, how is the water? How is it? Woo, it's cold. It's cold. That's gonna be our cut. Oh my god. Oh my god. I'm holding on.
Which is scarier, this side or that side?
That's not scary, this phase. That's like a family ride. That one's the scary one.
This one?
Yeah, this one's... You excited, bud?
Yeah.
Your stuff, he might get wet, though.
I know.
Oh, okay.
The thing dries and the thing that you push down.
Okay.
Yellow.
This right here.
No.
Well, it spins, so...
Oh my god.
I'm not scared or anything.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. This is awesome. I'm spider. Oh god dang it. Hold on.
I didn't get scared or anything.
I'm okay.
Are you scared?
Okay guys, this is a vlog on how I dry off. Okay, so first you gotta get to the bathroom, which is in a public hotel. I'm so coffee. We're gonna go play some games. Whee! I'm gonna play SpongeBob. I gotta get win bonus, and then I win. Yeah. Oh, I hate leaving Great Wall. Bye-bye.